Hi there. So once your PR quote has been accepted and actually published, a lot of people think the process is finished. But this is actually an important moment in the relationship with the journalist. How you respond here can influence whether you get included again in future articles. Because keep in mind, journalists, writers, editors, they will always be putting out more queries for experts to be able to contribute to. So let's break down what a good follow-up looks like. Now, this is just an example of a follow-up. Now, it is quite short, and you can add a bit more detail to it that is relevant to the actual pitch that you sent out. So you can decide all of these different details. I'm just going to mention the key things that you would want to include. Now, first up, say thank you. The first thing you do is to simply acknowledge the publication and say thank you. This keeps things professional and it shows appreciation for the journalist, including your input in their piece. You don't need anything long here, it just has to be clear and respectful. Then you can acknowledge the published piece. This briefly references the fact that the article is now live. You might have seen, or they might have shared the link with you, so you've seen the article. So now you're just acknowledging that. This shows that you've actually engaged with the final output, not just submitted a quote and it disappeared. So you actually checked it out, you read the article, you learned something from it. Perhaps you can even mention that to them as well. So it helps reinforce that you are someone who follows through and you also stay involved. Then you should keep the door open for future features. And this is where a lot of people get this wrong. So you don't directly ask for more work or push for opportunities. You aren't saying, okay, so I have contributed now, so you have to allow me to contribute again. So you have to come across that you are willing to help them again. So instead, you simply express that you're happy to contribute if anything relevant comes up in the future. It's soft, professional, and relationship focused. It's not transactional. So something else that you can even do, if you see that a journalist is putting out a lot of queries daily, and you see that they are sending out queries about a very specific industry or something that you've got a lot of experience in, you can even ask them. So, I see you do a lot of work or you write a lot about this type of content. If you even need something regarding this, I can help you. I've got case studies for you. You can mention anything like that, but remember not to push it. It's rather you just subtly mentioning that you've got all of that information ready for them. They are always looking for examples, they are always looking for content, they are always looking for press releases, case studies. So knowing that you are there with all this information will be extremely helpful to them. So, what happens after your quote gets published is part of your long term PR strategy. This isn't just about one mention in one article, it's about becoming a reliable source that journalists remembers and then come back to. And that's where real PR relationships start to build.